Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to change language on X, formerly Twitter. So to do that I will show you first of all, so this is my X account, it's in English. So to change the language you have just to go to settings and after that scroll down until you find the last option, apps, and here you can just keep scrolling or go to search apps and type X, and as you can see here is the X app. Scroll down until you find the last option, language, click on it and I will change it to Arabic for example, and after that I should close the X app and open it again. And as you can see now X app is on with Arabic language. To put it back to English, I have just to go back for the settings with the same steps and click on English, close X again and open it again, and voila, X app is with English. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.